Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete contacts from Google account. Firstly, get up into your Google section and then tap on your right upper side on the icon section. When you get up into that section, you need to type for manage your Google account, and then you need to wait to get out to this main site. Now you need to go on your right side by scrolling on it and go for people and sharing, and then you need to go for contacts. And when you get up into contacts, here as you can see you have many options right there. And now if you tap on the first one, for example, and if you select it, tap and hold on it, click on it, and then as you can see you have that dot and you can go and choose for all. And now you can just go on the three dots right here, and as you can see right down you have that option for delete. Just tap on delete and everything, it will be permanently delete in this contact section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.